This unique vehicle deserves a very special attention and without doubt can be named a Russian mythbuster. Believe it or not, stereotypes are a very powerful thing, and those such instead of repairing a road, Russians prefer to make an all-road truck are deeply ingrained. Of course, nowadays, this stereotype is more joke than mirror of reality. Today roads in Russia are better than ever before. However, there are still millions of square kilometers of wild taiga, impassable tundra, mountains, and other places where only the most powerful ATV vehicles were able to move forward. The most staggering fact is that there are loads of Russians who desperately want to visit those absolutely wild and untouched places. Today our hero, ATV Shaman, made by a company after us located in Tver Oblast in Russia. Of course, it is not the only Russian-made ATV. There is also his competitor ATV Sherp. However, it is a completely different car. Sherp is not that hardcore, huge car and is more adapted to those who love to spend weekend in nature, to go fishing or hunting. However, not to the absolutely wild nature. Shaman is completely different. It is not just one of the trucks, it is monster between monsters. With this truck you can easily organize the whole expedition, go thousands of kilometers away from home. The only thing you need to care about, bring enough fuel and food with yourself. Taiga, tundra, desert, spring, summer, fall or winter, Shaman don't give a damn. It is like going safari with your cozy and warm flat. This cozy flat not only able to go through all terrains possible, but can also float with speed 7 km per hour. Swamps, sand, tundra, mountains and taiga, not the obstacle for him. You probably already saw a commercial of new Hammer, where so-called grab walk mode is presented as something absolutely new. Long before Hammer, this mode was installed to Shaman. 4 axes, 8-on-8 Shaman, equipped with AVD system, but the most important is that each wheel on one axle can make a turn independently from wheels of other axes, and because of that, truck has 3 motion modes. Standard mode allows to make a turn with 4 front wheels. Second one, in order to reduce turn radius, wheels of first and second bridges make a turn to one side, and those from third and fourth to the opposite. Third one, all wheels make a turn to the same side with the same angle, 27 degrees, which allows truck to make a grab walk. This is especially useful when driving on very soft surface, such as fresh sand. In this case, back wheels are not moving along the front track. One of the key advantages against Sherp, Shaman allowed to be used on public roads, which allows you to go on the expedition using normal roads, and if you will decide that some of them are far from desirable quality, just go on off-road. By the way, if you hate traffic jams, this truck will allow you to override all of them. Joke. Shaman also used widely to serve hard-to-reach areas and for rescue operations. Despite that, this truck is also available for sale for everyone who loves long back-to-the-wild trips. 10 million rubles. It is more than an affordable price for a truck with that compatibilities. Shaman and Sherp already become worldwide famous. British TV show Top Gear released a special about them. Truck goes widely for expert. Biggest contract was signed with United Arab Emirates, where these big boys are used not only in police, ambulance, rescue, engineer services, but in army too. It is absolutely amazing car. Sherp is more service maintenance truck. It is like a light plane and 2. Meanwhile Shaman is like Su-30 fighter, just made for an off-road. Of course, it doesn't mean Shaman is better than Sherp, just like Su-30 fighter is not better than An-2. They both unique and made for different purposes. Fast development and own manufacturing keeps growing and already allows Russia to fully satisfy its needs without buying any foreign-made ones. If you liked the video, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell.